This video demonstrates the proper removal and replacement of the delivery fiber. Replacing the delivery fiber is a troubleshooting technique for when the transmission check fails, indicating low transmission. This should only be performed after completing general maintenance, such as cleaning the delivery fiber and detector window, replacing the quickset fibrette coupler insert or the TBA fibrette coupler, and optimizing the fiber optic coupler. Refer to the corresponding videos on the support portal for more details. First, feed the SMA end of the new delivery fiber through the Carry 60 sample compartment access panel. Disconnect the old delivery fiber by unscrewing the SMA end counterclockwise. Remove the red cap from the new delivery fiber and install it onto the old delivery fiber. Then, remove the old delivery fiber through the Carry 60 sample compartment access panel. Insert the SMA end of the fiber into the dual-use fiber optic coupler and screw the hex nut clockwise until tight. Disconnect the old delivery fiber completely from the SoloVPE. Unscrew the FC end of the delivery fiber from the translation stage by rotating the end counterclockwise. Remove the delivery fiber from the system through the strain relief. Remove the clear cap from the FC end of the new delivery fiber and place the cap on the FC end of the old delivery fiber. For proper recycling, place the old delivery fiber in the sealable bag that the new delivery fiber came in. Store in a secure location to return to a VPT support specialist during your next preventative maintenance. Next, we want to ensure that optimal light is reaching the detector with the new delivery fiber. Connect the FC end of the new delivery fiber to the transmission tool and optimize the coupler and run a coupler check. Refer to the videos on SoloVPE maintenance, optimize fiber optic coupler, and Quick Check V3 for complete instructions. Disconnect the transmission tool and insert the FC end of the new delivery fiber through the strain relief. Connect it to the SoloVPE translation stage, aligning the notch on the delivery fiber to the keyway on the stage and tightening the screw clockwise. Perform a quick check test to ensure the proper installation of the new delivery fiber. Refer to the video Quick Check V3 for more details. In this video, we demonstrated how to replace a delivery fiber. If low transmission persists, contact CTech using the following information.